Before buying a magnetic ball phone mount, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Night Eyes Steely Dash Mount. Let's kick things off with the Night Eyes Steely Dash Mount. Priced at $19.99, this mount caught my eye with its sleek design and solid build quality. If you want a reliable phone mount that can be placed anywhere in your vehicle or home, this is worth a serious look. This magnetic dash mount is designed to work with the Steely magnetic phone socket system. It uses a heavy-duty 3M VHB adhesive, meaning you can stick it securely to any smooth surface, whether that's in your car, kitchen, or even your boat. What's cool is the adjustable viewing angle, allowing you to tilt your phone to see it perfectly from any position. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 7,200 reviews, it's clear people trust this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That strong adhesive means you won't have to worry about your phone falling off mid-drive, which is a huge relief. Now, some folks mention that the adhesive can sometimes be tricky to remove if you change your mind about its placement. I'll be real with you, this might be a deal breaker if you like to frequently rearrange your setup. But if you find a solid spot for it, it's not a problem at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable and durable phone mount that can fit in various locations. Skip this one if you're someone who likes to frequently change mounts, since the adhesive can be a hassle. Product number 2, Bullet Point Dash Mount. Now, if the adhesive concern bothered you, the Bullet Point Dash Mount offers a completely different approach. Priced at $24.99, this mount is specifically designed for iPhones equipped with MagSafe, but it also comes with extra metal rings for Android users. If you want a strong, secure hold on your phone, this is definitely worth considering. The Bullet Point mount features a powerful magnet that grips your phone even over rough terrain, making it perfect for those bumpy rides. It's made of high-strength aluminum, which feels way more premium than plastic alternatives. Plus, it has a 20 mounting ball, allowing for easy attachment to various vehicle mounts. With a 4.8-star rating from 1,000 reviews, users are impressed with its stability. Here's why this matters for you. If you drive on uneven roads, you'll appreciate how solidly this holds your phone in place. However, some users pointed out that it might not fit well with thicker cases, which could be a hassle. But honestly, if you're using a standard case, this should hold just fine, and the extra rings are a nice touch for Android users. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, sturdy mount specifically for iPhones, or a reliable option for Android users. Skip this one if you have a bulky phone case that might not fit well. Product number 3, Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Socket. Next up is the Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Socket, priced at just $14.79. This caught my attention because of its compact design and ease of use. If you need a straightforward solution for mounting your phone, this one's definitely worth your time. This socket features a strong neodymium magnet that securely holds your phone while allowing for smooth adjustments. It works with most smartphones, which is a huge plus if you switch devices often. The adhesive backing makes it simple to apply, and once it's on, it stays put. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 11,400 reviews, people are clearly satisfied. Here's why this matters for you. That strong magnetic hold means you won't have to worry about your phone falling off while driving. Now, some users mention that the adhesive might degrade over time, especially in extreme temperatures. Here's the thing though, if you live in a place with moderate weather, this shouldn't be an issue. Just make sure to clean the surface well before applying. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, reliable magnetic socket for your phone. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions that might affect the adhesive. Product number 4, Night Eyes Steely Original Dash Kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the Night Eyes Steely Original Dash Kit, priced at $29.98. This one really stood out to me because it combines functionality with a sleek design. If you want a premium mounting solution, this is worth checking out. This means you can easily switch between portrait and landscape views, which is super handy for navigation. The 3M VHB adhesive ensures a strong bond to your dashboard, and with a 4.5-star rating from over 10,600 reviews, it's proven to be a favorite. Here's why this matters for you. That flexibility in viewing angles means you can customize your setup for maximum convenience. I get it, that can be frustrating, but honestly, if you find a good spot and stick with it, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, adjustable mount that looks good in your car. Skip this one if you think you might want to move it around frequently since it can be tricky to detach. Product number 5, Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Socket Plus. Last but not least, we have the Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Socket Plus priced at $21.63. I was genuinely surprised by how strong the magnet is on this one. If you want something that can hold even the largest phones securely, this is definitely one to consider. This socket features a larger neodymium magnet and a smooth silicone center for an ultra-strong hold. It's designed to work with all Steely mounts, ensuring compatibility. What's impressive is that it can hold big phones and cases without a hitch. With a 4.7-star rating from 3,300 reviews, it's clear users love it. Here's why this matters for you. That strong connection means you won't have to worry about your phone slipping off during a drive. However, some users noted that the adhesive can be a bit finicky during application. I'll be real with you, if you don't get it right the first time, it can be annoying. But if you take your time, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you have a larger phone or case and need a secure mount. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick and easy setup that doesn't require careful placement. To wrap it all up, we covered 5 solid magnetic ball phone mounts today, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you want something simple like the Night Eyes Steely Magnetic Phone Socket or a premium option like the Steely Original Dash Kit, there's something for everyone's needs. Just think about your specific requirements and you can't go wrong with any of these choices.